Hey guys, it's Zoe, and welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. Today we're making turkey and egg breakfast casserole. Here are the ingredients you need. This isn't something I would normally do, but we're celebrating moms all week for Mother's Day, and I know my mom would love it, and yours might too. Oh, and by the way, if your mom's watching, please put her somewhere else. Bye. First thing we're gonna do is cook the ground turkey. Make sure you melt the oil first. Now we're gonna add the garlic powder and the chili powder inside the pan, and you can add some salt and pepper if you want to. Turkey's done. Make sure you drain it. Now we're gonna grease the pan with coconut oil. And we're gonna layer the bottom of the pan with sweet potatoes. Make sure they're not overlapped. Otherwise, there'll be a soggy mess and you'll be doing my new dance, the soggy mess. Now we're gonna crack some eggs! Oh yeah, come on, baby! Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you were filming me. Now we're gonna put it all together. First we're gonna put the meat, and then we're gonna whisk the eggs, and then put the eggs in, and then add some salt and pepper. Now we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for 30 minutes. Alexa, set a 30-minute timer.
30 minutes, starting now.
Now that the quiche is done, we're going to take it out and put spinach and cheese and put it back in for 5 to 10 minutes. Quiche is done, so now we're going to take it out and let it cool for 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, when your quiche is done, you can surprise your mom with a breakfast in bed, which I'm going to do in a few minutes. But first, I'm going to let my professional taste tester try it. Rating from 1 to 10.
I don't like it.
You know why? Just you know why? Why you and I? Why you and I? Will.
Okay, well, more for Mom. Happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there, and I especially want to wish a happy Mother's Day to my mom. I love you, Mom. Bye.